we go thrift shopping?
What? Hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. They came back. Anyway, I had a Facebook Marketplace deal. I don't do a lot of Facebook Marketplace, but I look for deals to buy. And I will advertise a little bit on there just to send people to my antique mall and my indoor flea market malls, booths. And I seen this lot months back before I knew anything about hats. Just because I'm from a railroad town, so seeing railroad hats I thought was kind of cool. And he said there were 17 of them, and he wanted $65. But I just seen this again. It's been there for months, this listing. So I sent him a note. He said $65. I said I can bring you 45 tomorrow, and this was like on Sunday. And he texted back. He goes, "How about 50?" And I was like, I go, well, which ones are the duplicates, you know? And then he kind of told me the duplicates, and I'm like, all right. And when I got there, they're way better than I thought. They haven't been. Some of them still have tags, and some of them, most of them, I don't think none of them have been worn. And also he goes, I have a lot more hats. He goes, I go, send me a text, show me pictures, and then tell me what you want, and we can go from there. So it's kind of cool to get another connection, because he said he basically had a connection years ago, and who knows what else he might have. So another, always think about marketing yourself, right? Well, let's go over the hats. First one was Santa Claus Express Crew, 1999. Nothing special, but it's got that old trucker hat look. Snapback, never been worn. Maine, Bangladesh, nothing special. Burlington Northern Santa Fe, and that's the one that went through my town too. It's got the white cord, same thing, one size fits all. With tags, wool is cool. Made in USA, Burlington Northern Santa Fe, Northtown, Minnesota division. I got two hats like that, both of them with tags. I mean, you can tell these have never been out of a box. Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad with a interesting symbol. Thayer Sub Blitz, interesting, 1998, Burlington Northern Santa Fe. And I got four of the same hat there. And since they're all not worn, I mean, I'm not to clean them or nothing. Burlington, or Springfield division, Ozark Mountain Country. I like this one because it's got the railroad here, the patch, the Burlington Northern symbol, and then like mountains in the background and rivers. And that's, it's pretty cool, the Springfield one. This is out here in front of them. And this is Frisco. This is the one that went from St. Louis up to St. Louis. And this is the one that I like the most. It's just cool, the contrast of colors. I love yellow and green. All made by the same thing here. And this is also the one that's really cool. The Burlington Northern Santa Fe. Red, it's the contrast of colors, I think, is what people like anyway. That's what I like. They're really nice. They're not K products, K brand, but it's got, look like trucker hats. I don't think kids really care too much. They're going to get more money when you get K brands, K products, but railroad hats are kind of rare. Look, listen, live, Operation Lifesaver, Burlington Northern Santa Fe. These probably aren't worth much, but I might put these in my booth for $10. And hats sell really fast in my booths. So a lot of these that don't sell, I can sell fairly easy. I've been selling hats in my booths for a long time. The normal hats don't sell on eBay, but they sell in my booths really quick. Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad, all these are patches, which is cool, and they all have cords. That's a nice color contrast too, and there's two of those. And then Santa Claus Express Crew 2000. This one's a little bit different. Made in USA, Pro Line. Yeah. So a little different, but hey, but not bad. 17 for $50. I'm sure that Burlington Northern Santa Fe, those two should get my money back. I think we get close to get 25 a piece for those. But anyway, just a little something, trying to extend my knowledge into other things. I bought too many. I've got too many now. Thanks a lot, Calvin. Thanks a lot, Tim. Thanks a lot, Cernock. Grind on, friends. Bye. Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.